In this chapter, we will explore the fundamental skills that you must acquire to create basic presentations within the PowerPoint program. You will need to learn to create new presentations, open previously created presentations, save presentation changes, and then close those presentations. This particular lesson will acquaint you with the process of opening a presentation. To open a presentation, you must first know where the presentation you want to open is located. This location could be found within a folder on your computer, a network folder, a CD-ROM, or perhaps located on some other type of removable media. Once you know where the file is located, you can open it by using the Open dialog box. You can access this dialog box by clicking the Microsoft Office button and then choosing the Open command. In the Open dialog box that appears, you should use the navigation tools to select the presentation you want to open. You should see an icon for the presentation file along with the presentation file's name in the files and folders shown in the Open dialog box. To open a file from the location that you've selected, you can click the icon for the file that you want to open, and then click the Open button found in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. Alternately, you could also just double-click the icon of the file shown in the Open dialog box in order to open the file. You can also use this dialog box to simultaneously open multiple presentations from the same location. To do this, follow the steps previously discussed, but this time when selecting the files from the listing shown, click on the first file to open. If the other files you want to open are non-adjacent or not next to each other, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each file that you want to open. If the files are adjacent, hold down the Shift and then click the last file in the list. Everything between the two will be selected. Once you have your selected files, release any keyboard keys that you are holding down, and then click the Open button in the lower right corner of the Open dialog box. This will open all of the highlighted or selected presentations. Also notice that if you are simply trying to open a recently accessed presentation, then you may be able to click on the Microsoft Office button, and then click on the name of any recently opened file that appears in the list to the right side of the command panel.